Hey, John Wilson here from highticketaffiliatecoach.com, and welcome to this ThriveCart review. So in this video, we're going to cover ThriveCart usability, the support, robustness, and just give you a couple of demos of what it looks like inside, and a little bit of background. I've used this software as the backbone for a book funnel, a digital course funnel, a SaaS funnel, coaching funnel, in two different niches, and done multiple six figures in sales with this software, and I love it. So let's dive in. And while you're there, if you like videos about online business, be sure to subscribe and smash that like button. So here we are inside of ThriveCart, and on the front page of the dashboard, you get your sales graph, and you get all sorts of stats that you can look at there. On the next item in the menu at the top, you've got products. And in here, you can see all the products that you've created and create a new product. So we'll just do one of these real quick. And a product, it just covers all the things that, the price and how it's going to be delivered and all the rest of it. So we'll just do create a product. And you'll find that most things are done using quite an easy to follow wizard format. So you just fill in everything on that tab and then click next, and it takes you through. And then we're going to set the product price, make it $100. You can set trial periods of different numbers of days. We won't bother with that here. You can do one-time fee products, subscriptions, split pays, pay your own price even. You can set the quantity available as well, but I'll just leave this in as unlimited and save that. And we can check sales tax if we want to do that as well. That's available with the Pro upsell, by the way. And we can customize our customers' payment notification, put a logo on there and things like that. Won't bother with that for now. We can add a bump to the product. So that would be just a one-off kind of, do you want fries with that type thing at checkout, which is a really good way of offering little extras to increase your cart value. I won't bother with that on this occasion. Then you can set up your processors. We can choose. Now, in terms of payment processors, you can use Stripe, Authorize.net, PayPal, Apple Pay, and even Google Pay. So next, and again, affiliates, that is available with the Pro upsell. But if you want affiliates to be able to promote your product, then you would check that box there. And this is where you set up access to your product. Now, so for this, you can either send them to a ThriveCart page where you can put a download link on there, or you can send them to a URL on your own website, or you can add them to a membership site. Now, the membership site can be ThriveCart Learn, and there is ThriveCart Learn is included with ThriveCart. Now, I use this for one of my products, and it's really good. We'll have a quick look at that in a moment. But ThriveCart also interfaces with a bunch of other membership sites as well, which we'll look at in a minute. And if you're selling a CD or a DVD, you can even interface with this Kunaki service to ship a physical CD or DVD to your customers. So click next. Now, checkout. This is where we design the cart. Now, you can use just a standard type cart, or you can use a sales cart. And sales cart is pretty cool because you can make that be your actual sales page. So you don't need a separate funnel builder for this. You can make your sales cart your sales page when you have a video at the top, and or even a text-based sales letter, and then the cart at the bottom of that. And that's really cool. Or you can have a embeddable cart, which you could embed on your website, WordPress, for example, or any other HTML site. Or you can have a kind of modal sales cart where it pops up when you press a button on your sales page. So here's the editor for your cart page, and it's really easy drag and drop stuff. It's so configurable, but you don't have to configure much. You can put a logo in at the top, drag in a video, that kind of thing. There's headings, subheadings, videos, testimonials you can put on there. You can count down timers, guarantee seals, things like that. Really easy drag and drop interface. Next, you can add tracking. So if you're doing Facebook ads, Google ads, things like that, you can put tracking codes in here. and behavior rules. Now, this is pretty cool. You can use this to add your customers to your email list and even use it to deliver content. So you can tag the customer in your email list and use that to trigger a campaign in your email list to send a welcome email, to send emails with subsequent marketing material and so on, and even deliver the product via emails from your autoresponder. And when you're finished, just click save and get URL, and that's you done. That would be the link to your checkout page, and you can view it. And that's just our basic default checkout page. We haven't put a video or logo or anything on there, but and the orange line at the top just tells us that it's in test mode, and that allows you to go through it and just test that everything's working correctly. Now, I mentioned integrations earlier on. This is, you go to your settings and just settings in the menu at the top here to look at these and set them up. Really easy to set up, but it integrates with, Aweber is the one that I use. Other things like Drip, HubSpot, MailChimp, GetResponse, bunch of stuff, and also membership sites as well, like DAP and Optimized Member, Thrive Apprentice, which I've used myself, and that integration works really well. And anything you don't see here is likely to be able to be interfaced with using Zapier as well, which you have at the bottom there. And the other things you can do with this as well are obviously upsells, downsells, and these are done in a very similar fashion. Very easy to do. We can do A/B tests as well, and also coupons to allow you to give user discounts and so on. It's a very flexible interface for that. So I said we'd have a look at the membership functionality in here. It's called ThriveCart Learn. It's just this little hat on the top menu here, and here we can create courses real quick. So you would do a new project, create new course, and just fill in the details there. And once you've done that, you can just create a module, and then you would add a lesson and then edit the lesson. Anyway, really easy to use, as you can see. So finally, I just want to cover reliability real quick. It's really, really reliable. I've been using it for over 5 years now, and in that whole time, it's gone down, I think, for a couple of hours when they were having a bit of trouble with their Amazon servers. So yeah, really reliable. In terms of support, the support is amazing. You'll email and get a response, if not same day, then next day, and they're really good. They know their stuff. So yeah, I just like it because you can pretty much do everything in one place. You can do your sales page, upsells, downsells, one-click upsells. You can manage your affiliate program. You can have your digital course in there, or you can integrate to other things as well. In one case, I have integrated with WordPress, having my sales pages on WordPress and my membership site on WordPress, and that worked really well. And in another case, I've just done everything inside of ThriveCart, having my sales page on ThriveCart and my digital course hosted on ThriveCart as well, and that works really smooth. So if you've got any questions about ThriveCart, about me using it or what I've shown you today, then drop something in the comments below and I'll help you straight away. And as I say, I originally got ThriveCart because I needed to set up funnels to sell my digital course quickly, and I didn't have time to mess about with complicated tech stuff. I found that one thing I looked at on WordPress was just a real hassle, embedding tags and stuff like that. You don't have to do any of that with ThriveCart, and I was able to get it up and running really fast. Also, one of the main things that sealed the deal for me was that ThriveCart is an affordable one-time payment and not a monthly charge. ThriveCart's main competitor charges up to $300 per month for similar software. Now, if you decide to pick up ThriveCart today through my link in the comments or description below this video, then I'll give you access to a couple of exclusive bonuses for free. So this is a $1,497 value custom bonuses. And the first one is my own digital course on how to create your own digital course, and that's a $997 value and full digital course, how to turn a passion or skill into an income by creating and launching your own digital course. And it takes you through, how to title your course, how to define your audience, and define the problem that you want to solve for the course, and how to put the content together, and how to deliver it and record it, and even how to sell your course before you've even created it, or how to get someone else to make your course for you. And the second bonus is something called the 24-hour ranking system. That's a $500 value. And what this is a full digital course on how to rank your videos at the top of Google in 24 hours. Now, if you are creating a digital product inside of ThriveCart, a digital course, using it to sell consulting, coaching, whatever, then this is an amazing way of promoting your thing for free by ranking it. Not only it will rank obviously at the top of Google, YouTube as well. So that is a great thing, and a great way to get buyers for your digital product for free. So just to recap, you'll get my digital course formula course, $997 value, and the 24-hour ranking system for worth $500. And if you want to get more of a taste of what ThriveCart can do, then I've got a free 10-part email course on how you can set up, publish your own digital course, and how, or digital product, coaching, consultancy, whatever, how you can publish that and sell more of it. And you can sign up for that via the link in the description or the comments below this video. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you next time. God bless.